Hello，大家好。咁咧，今日呢一段片咧就要繼續同大家講一講 conditional，即係條件句呢個 topic。今日一段片咧會講呢個 type two 嘅條件句啦。type two 咧其實咧個作用咧係用嚟去做一啲假設，即係去假想一個情況出嚟啦，係去做一個條件句咁樣嘅。咁個結構咧其實咧係會用 if 啦，即係 if 嗰部分咧會跟住 simple past tense 嘅，即係 if 嗰個子句啦係會用 simple past tense 啦。然之後，if 嘅另一部分即係帶出嚟嗰個後果嗰部分咧，就會用 would 啊、might 啊、could 啊，再加一個 simple form 嘅 verb 去表示個後果咁樣。咁條件嗰部分啦，個例子咧，你會見到 if I were you 啦，呢度用咗呢個simple past tense 嘅，即係 if I were you，然之後個後果嗰度咧就會話 I would not buy that phone，即係如果我係你啊，我就唔會買嗰部電話。咁呢度嚟講係一個假設嚟噶嘛，即係話你唔可以係嗰個人嘅，或者你唔可以成為嗰個人，但係只不過係話你以佢嘅角度出發去假設呢樣嘢，所以你話 if I were you。I would not buy that phone 咁樣咯。咁又係記得啦，if 咧其實可以擺喺中間嘅。咁下一個例子咧就係話 I might not be late。咁呢個係一個後果嚟，即係引申出嚟嘅後果嚟嘅。即係我就唔會遲到啦。If I got up early today，即係假如個條件係如果我今日又早起身嘅話，我就唔會遲到。咁其實呢度嚟講咧，你可以睇得出一樣嘢就係，其實嗰件事咧基本上係發生咗嘅。咁而發生咗之後咧，你再去做一啲假設咁樣咯，即係你假設今日有起身，即係有早起身，你就唔會遲到啦咁樣。咁啊，呢個嚟講咧，你用呢個過去式啦，係可以做一啲即係假設嘅情況啦。咁我就想你記得係個用法係點樣用啦，同埋自己作文嗰陣時可以試下用啦。另外亦都有個練習俾你嘅，你都可以去試下去用翻出嚟咁樣。咁啊，俾個 tips 你啊，即係 if I were you 嗰度咧，其實係個 special case 嚟嘅。咁啊，係俾意見嗰陣時候啦，你可以用喎，因為你唔可以成為人啦。但係如果你話成為嗰個人啦，但係如果你話 if I were you 嘅話咧，係去做到一個感覺就係你係設身處地站喺佢嘅立場嗰度去諗咯。即係你係假設你係佢嘅話，你會點樣做咁樣？係啦，呢個 type two 嘅話咧，就主要嚟用嚟做假設嘅咁樣。咁啊，希望你學咗之後啦，可以去即係試下用出嚟啦，同埋試下去做嗰個練習啦。咁咧，下一段片我哋再見，拜拜。